Hey guys, my name is Donita and welcome to my channel. If you're a returning subscriber, welcome back. And if this is your very first time here, please let me know in the comments below how you found my channel. On this channel, I do clothing hauls, black love, travel vlogs, and of course, my main wig reviews. So if you like what you see by the end of this video, make sure you guys hit that subscribe button and that notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And we're gonna get into some things with this hair, okay? We're gonna be right back. Welcome back. So today I'm reviewing another Outre unit. It is from their Melted Hairline collection. It's the lace front wig and it's in the style Luellen, and I got it in the color 2. And this is what the stock card is looking like. This unit is 14 inches long, and for some reason in the stock card it looks like it's very even. But on me, it's given more bob vibes, like a slanted bob. So if you guys can see, it's given slanted bobs on me. But in the photo, it looks like it's more of like a blunt cut bob. But either way, it's cute. I like it. So this unit does have natural baby hairs included, pre-attached wide elastic band. I love the elastic band because that means I don't have to glue the unit down. It's heat resistant fibers, heat safe up to 400 degrees. It's 14 inches long. And yes, this is what the middle of the stock card is looking like. It does come in a bunch of other specialty colors as well. I have been reviewing a lot of browns and chocolates on my channel. I wanted to do something a little bit different, so I kind of just went with a regular 2. It has a soft HD transparent lace, 5-inch deep parting space, completely pre-plucked hairline and sideburns, pre-attached wide elastic band for a secure fit, and redesigned comfort ear-to-ear contour. So as you guys saw earlier, this unit was simple for me. On this channel, I do a lot of plop and goes. I didn't want to glue this unit down because I have a couple things going on right now, but I honestly would suggest gluing this unit down if this is something that you want to wear outside the house and go somewhere. It does flap, so I would highly suggest gluing it down. You do need to shape it to your ear, so I will say that. It is ear to ear, and you'll have to cut the lace. But yeah, I feel like I blended this in pretty well. The only thing that I did was I used my Ebin lace tint in the color dark medium brown. In my previous videos, I did medium brown, but I went a shade darker because of my skin complexion, and it's dark medium brown for me. I sprayed the lace tint on there, and then I used my Fenty foundation in the color 420 in my MAC press powder. I believe it's dark brown. I can't remember, you guys. I mixed them both, and I went in along the hairline. And then for the edges, I don't really like laying down baby hairs. It's like, it's a synthetic wig, y'all. I don't have time to be doing all that extra stuff. So I did go in with my Juvia's Place palette. Oh, I'm looking for it. Here it is. And I went in with one of the chocolates colors, and I just went in along the hairline. Simple, easy, and ready to go. I will suggest gluing this unit down again because it's going to be flapping in the wind. The way the hairline is constructed, you have to glue this unit down, unfortunately. I personally don't like gluing down synthetic wigs. That's just not my thing, okay? But I do like the blunt, curly, angled bob. It's different. I do feel like this is a pretty basic, you know, hairstyle. It's not like something that I love, but it's not something that I hate. You know, it's just a regular hairstyle. It's cute though. So this unit does range on Diva Tress's website for $56, and the link is in the description box below. It is big head friendly. I will say that. It does have 2 combs on the side, a comb in the back, adjustable straps back there as well. I wouldn't say I've experienced any shedding or tangling with this unit. When I cut the lace, there was a little bit of shedding in the front, and that's just from me cutting the lace. But other than that, you guys, it's an easy unit. Very, very easy. Cute, simple hairstyle. This is like on the go. You can wear this for work, a quick trip to the grocery store, or if you want to just go to the mall for a day. I like it. What do you guys think? I think I would have loved it if I would have gotten it in one of the chocolates colors. You guys, I love chocolates, but I don't want to be one of those YouTubers that just wears the same color on her channel. I'm trying to be versatile because I don't really like a lot of like bold colors, like the blues and purples. That's not really my thing. So I've stepped out of my element, and I went to, you know, the DRFF red velvets and the ginger browns and the maple browns and creamy truffle. I love the creamy truffle. Even like the mix, like this one right here, I love these colors. So yes. Other than that, you guys, this was a quick, easy, fun video. Let me know in the comments below what you guys think. If you have any questions, let me know. And thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and a notification bell so you can get reminders every time I post a video. And Happy New Year, y'all. Okay? It's a new year, new goals. Let me know some of your New Year's resolutions this year. I think for me, just continue to grow my channel, have a peace of mind, and just be the best version of me that I can be, okay? Thanks for watching, and I will see you guys next time. Namaste.